Hey guys, welcome back to the Archway to Heaven. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite buttercream recipe. First up, you're going to want to add half a cup of butter into your stand mixer with the paddle attachment and mix it on high for about 5 minutes. In this next step, I'm adding powdered sugar in half-cup intervals until I reach the desired consistency for my buttercream. After adding in your vanilla and scraping down the sides of your bowl, your buttercream should be done. Remember that you can always add in special items like cocoa powder or even salt to tone down that sweetness. Make this recipe yours. Hope you guys loved the video, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe.